everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Shekhar here and we are here on the road to 50k challenge. Guys, if any of my plays has helped you grow some money, and we have seen in the previous 2 weeks that we are consistently growing over whatever we play. So do like and subscribe the channel, do comment on the channel, ask your questions so that I can help you guys, and if in any way I am helping you guys for free, help me reach my first goal of 1000 subscribers. Do share with your family and friends, and without doing further delay, let's rock. So guys, this is going to be a power video today because we'll be talking about a lot of stocks, whatever we are in the play, and what we are going to pick up the new plays going forward. Why are we going to do all the analysis, what makes me choose a stock going forward. So there will be a lot of things. First thing, we'll go into the portfolio and see how we are doing for the past 2 weeks, how the market has behaved. So if you go and say, look at my portfolio, we started with $5,000, we are $600 up. We were like $800 to $900 up, but the market on 15th actually fell down, and that's what I predicted in my last video. If you guys saw, I told January 14th will be the day where you will be seeing the market slide off, and then there will be a correction. So I predict again for the market thing. It might correct a bit, like 5 to 10% maximum, and then probably that would be the buying zone opportunity. Don't panic, because whenever the market falls, it has to go up. It is bound to go up, and so that is the buy zone. We buy when it goes down. That's the key. You buy low and then sell whenever you have a profit, right? So let's go into my account and see what trades we did and how we doing. So if you see FCEL. So now FCEL, I told you guys in an earlier video that we are going to ride till 20 and then we start booking profits. So those who ever followed me should have made a decent profit. What I am talking about is 90% minimum profit. We started very low, like 11s or something, and then we started moving up. Now we have sold at 20 and then it has come back again. So guys, if you are still in the play and have not booked the profit, don't worry. This play is going to be a play of $30. Now it's sitting at $15.99. What does that mean? Is like it is again going to be a buy zone for FCEL. So the update on fuel cell is like now as it goes into 15s, like, or even if it goes in 14 something, it's much better, but I doubt it is going to do that. You can start nibbling at 16s and 15s, build up a position again, and then we will grow from here to the next level. So that's how it is. Those guys who started recently or who have joined my channel like just now or a week before and missed those plays, don't worry, we will be having upcoming new plays for you, and we'll keep rocking the same way as we have done for the last 2 weeks, and we're still on the same challenge. So and if you are starting on a new platform, do subscribe, do look at my join me on Webull or Robinhood, wherever you want. The links are given below in the channel. Just try to come along and let's move ahead. So if you guys see here, like we were around 6k, 6.1k at some point of time, and then we booked the profits. Then again the market has come down, and that's okay. You cannot have the green days every time. There has to be a red day for the consolidation period, which I say, and then probably will go up. So even the market went bad, we have not lost our money. We are still in positive, if you see, and that's a good thing for us. Now as I said, this is FCEL, has a buy zone. Go ahead and buy whenever you find it in 15s or even in 16, and then ride for the next ride. Another stock which I mentioned in the last video was BNGO, when it was $3. I bought it at $4 myself, and then I rode it till 9 and sold it. So that is how it was. Now again, those who missed the boat and did not pay attention, don't worry, the BNGO is going to come down to 7s or something, and then you can just again go ahead and build up a position there. It is a long-term play, and that's how it goes. I'll be discussing about the Dropbox, Amasis, and GNOG APXT in my later videos, like how we are going to do about it, what we are going to do about it, and how we are going to play it. So, guys, my new play for this week, which I have picked up, and it's not just for the week; it's a long-term play. We are going into it. It's called Tattooed Chef. I was following Beyond Meat for some time, and then I was looking something to buy around 95 and 100 zone because it was falling tragically, and that was a buy zone for Beyond Meat. But then from 118, it took a U-turn the moment Taco Bell came in and made an offer to Beyond Meat. So that's again blown off to 146. We are not chasing Beyond Meat. But then while doing analyzing Beyond Meat, I came across, stumbled with a stock called TTCF. I had been following it for long, but then now it was high time when I think we should be making a position in TTCF, the Tattooed Chef. So what exactly is the company about? Company is just like plant-based products like Beyond Meat, but it has its niche products on its own. It has a flavoring, it has vegan, keto based products, which is going to capture, and then again, it has done phenomenally well during the last quarters, if you see, and going forward, it is going to expand in Walmart stores. Right now, it's sold at 7% of United States in the Walmart stores. Now it's going to expand to 50% of the Walmart stores across United States. That's a big stake, and that will bring a multiplier in the revenue. And when there is a multiplier in the revenue, you see a multiplier in the stock prices as well. So let's go dive deep why I am advocating Tattooed Chef and what is the best buy zone where you can get into the play and play it long term. So if you see Tattooed Chef, you can go to its corporate profile where it says like Tattooed Chef is a leading plant-based food company offering a broad portfolio of innovative plant-based foods. What you will see is here like it is also provides a signature product, ready to cook bowls, zucchini spirals, rice cauliflowers, and many more. And it also helps, or basically it is into keto and vegan market as well. That makes it different from Beyond Meat. Now again, Beyond Meat has done its job. It has ran too much, and then it's in bad shape right now. But then you have to look beyond. The world is going to 9 billion population soon, and then you need some alternative. And I think this is the one. So if you go to the management, it's the Salvatore Galacci. He has been in food industry for like more than 35 years, and he has a good leadership skills. So what we look is like, okay, if the leadership of the company is good or not, so that we can finalize, okay, if the vision is good, then it's going to rise and rock. Okay, so let's go ahead and compare TTCF. If you see Tattooed Chef has a significant boost in the demand. It's in the and cook ready to eat and cook product as consumers were forced to eat during the lockdown. So it has again a lot of boost in the market. It has again, what I said is like it's going to increase itself to 50% of the Walmart across the United States. That is again a booster to it. And the financial performance has actually done good. I'll come to this again, but let's try to compare it with Beyond Meat. If you see Beyond Meat, the shares of Beyond Meat went on a roller coaster ride when the MACD pulled off from it, and then later it saved itself because MACD was trying to go with a plant-based burger on its own, and it was heavily dependent on McDonald's. But now Taco Bell again has partnered with Beyond Meat. It can again float for some time. Again, it's pricey. Now Tattooed Chef has actually done a third quarter of the report from Tattooed Chef was the best quarter in the company's history. So last quarter it was too good. The revenue has increased to 41 million. For a young company, 41 million is too small. Don't worry about it. It is like it can go from 41 to 400 million in no time. From there, it's going to be difficult. For example, if I say $130 for Apple is the cost, and if it is going to double or triple in next 2-3 years, it won't be possible because it's already $1 trillion company. And if I want to double the share price, what I mean to say is that Apple is going to be 2 trillion in 2 years, which is not possible, But If tattooed chef is 41 million, and will it be 100 million? Yes, it can definitely be 100 million in 2 years or 1 year from now. What that means is like that the price of the stock can be easily double or triple from here, and that's where we get our positions at the right place so that we can ride the ride. So let's go again inside what exactly is tattooed chef here. If you see the valuations from the Seeking Alpha, I went and did some research about this company. So it's a relatively new company with a market cap around 1 billion now, and is often compared to Beyond Meat. It's often compared to Beyond Meat. And the company's growth revenue will be driven by its penetration in most important nutritional trends the company targets, including keto, vegan, vegetarian, and protein-rich diets. So this is basically its strength, where it is different from its competitors. So guys, tattooed chef, what I would like is you guys start positioning yourself. This is the right time for entering in the tattooed chef. You go to Yahoo Finance for your approvals and your analysis. If you see it has a bullish pattern, not in the short term but as the long term as well, which coincides with my analysis, that is a positive part. And then I see, okay, if it is like 25 right now, I will get inside this at 25 or below. I will just add to it like minimum 125 shares and just sit down. So this is one of the plays. Another place, guys, is NEO LI12. If you remember, it will go to 65 or 64, and then it will come back to 55, and tattooed everything is going as planned. So when it is at 55, I would like you to buy NEO, add to your position, don't worry. And even if it comes down due to market correction of that, the next support level for NEO is 49. So you can still average it down, dollar cost averaging for NEO, and then ride it from there. So don't forget to add NEO and tattooed chef in your account. And many of you might ask like, okay, I am already loaded with GNOG or APXT and other stuff, so how am I going to allocate? So in that case, what you would do, like, you should not be getting all the plays. If you have limited money, don't go with all the plays which I say. Try to analyze which one is the best for you, which one is moving best, and then obviously you can allocate. Like, you can, instead of getting for 125 shares, if you have less money, go for 25 shares in one and 25 shares in another. That way you diversify your portfolio, and it's better for the portfolio to grow in the long run. Guys, I have been getting a lot of questions regarding the stop loss in my personal chat, and I appreciate reaching out to me. I would like to ask any questions if you have in my comment box, so that I can instantly answer, and it can answer many of you having the same questions, and I would not have to go over and over again. So here I'm explaining you how you should be booking your stop loss, booking your profit using the stop loss. So, and that actually happened with FCEL to many, like they were not aware how they should be booking at what price. Actually, I told the price at 20, but they did not. They thought like, okay, it will go to 21 and 22, and then probably it came back lower. So guys, whenever you have a price target set in your mind, like I said 20, then let's go ahead, and when it is 20, you should start adding a trailing stop loss. So what is the trailing stop loss? Is like, if I say like it's 20 and I want to exit at 19, so I will put a stop loss something around 5%, so that I can exit around 19 automatically if it comes down. And then if it hits the trailing stop loss and goes up again, don't worry, that happens a couple of times, but still you are safe with your profit, and you should be content with that. Don't be greedy. So let's try to see and how it can be done. For example, if you go to FCEL here, I will say close by stop loss or take profit, and then here is the stop loss price. I can trigger like, okay, if I bought at 15.99, for example, I started booking again. So in that case, I can exit at 14.44, what is my price target, or better, I can have a trailing stop loss of 10% here. But what I'll go and say, okay, let me do it a 5% stop loss, and whenever it's 15.2, it will be automatically sold off, so that still you keep the profit. So example, when I was at 11, I booked a I booked the profit. When it went to 20, I put a stop loss of 5%, and then I exited around 19 or so. So I took the heavy chunk of my profits and walked away in all other accounts. So that's what you have to learn to do, and use the stop loss strategy so that you do not ruin the profits made over time, because what we invest is not just money, we invest time here, and that is something you cannot get back, right? So let's try to be smart, play with the things, and if you have any questions regarding whatever it is, just shoot me in the comment box, please, and let's go ahead and answer all of them. So that would be all for the day, guys. Have a good day, and probably next week you can see more red days coming, but don't worry, whatever we have discussed so far, let's go ahead, grab those shares and move on. In my upcoming video, I'll be discussing about option plays, because like many people have reached out to me about how to play options, and then I'll be coming up with a few option plays which you should go with, and let's see how it goes. Till then, have a good day. Bye bye. Thank you.